So it's day 3 of me drinking 1 gallon of water for 14 days. Actually, I feel good. I feel light. I feel cleansed. So that's just me. That's just what I feel. Alright, so side note, mas hindi na ako leaning into like a lot of coffee right now. I notice a decrease in coffee consumption, which is really, really good for me. And I'm not craving it. So that's another positive thing, I think. Plus, I have this need not to control also my oil consumption, especially sa food. So parang na-allergy na ako kapag sobrang taas na ng mantika content ng pagkain. So I'm not sure if it's related to the water drinking, but that's what I feel. Hindi ko sure pero for me talaga may something glowing dun sa, hindi ko alam kung ilaw ba to or what, pero pawis ako from workout. Pero I'm not sure, but the water is doing something magnificent on my skin. Right now, I'm just looking for hacks so that I can consistently drink even after this challenge na 1 gallon for 14 days. After 14 days, I wanted pa rin to continue this because I like the effect. Right now, what I'm doing is every time na may ihi ako or mafe-feel ko na kailangan ko umihi, that's my sign for me that I need to drink again. So I'm on my way to finishing it. Siguro mga 3 bottles of water and then I'm done. Mapinis.
Sukli dun sa pagiging poor boy from kahit pa paano.